Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
You were in the office. I saw you with that towel in your hands. And I heard it, as you said, vocally restricted. And I knew where that cufflink was. I've had experience. And so, Parker links up with his culprits and heads for downtown.
What are you doing?
And you link up with the lovely white person for cocktails and candlelight.
Hey, what's your problem?
I'm trying to get in here to drop something off to my.
I'm trying to go. I'm waiting for him. What are you yelling? Why are you yelling at me?
Why the are you trying to cut me off?
I'm not.
My husband's a goddamn truck driver.
You're sitting over there.
Sitting in the
Lady, you're sitting on the side of the road.
No, I was not. I was in a travel lane.
Whatever. You were over there. You probably got one. Hey, lady's out of her mind. I'm about to. She just threw something in my fucking truck. I'm gonna go kick her fucking ass.
Because no one would tell prostitute stories. You know, Colin was fascinated by that he was so honest. And, you know, so then we just would go, hey, put these guys on stage, you know, give them some time. That's how we got in.
Now, you know, you were doing this home from school, you took a cookie, you ran back up, you tried to get to that school, you had to get to a game, because basketball's never home. And if you didn't make it, you had to hope that the other couple of guys to get the next game were pretty.
And so this other sort of, to the extent he was willing to engage with politics, it was to push people back. It was to sort of a very aggressive. Holy.
A hacker who holds files for ransom. Software that turns webcams into peep shows. Cybercrime keeps getting scarier and more personal, but you can stay safe with top-rated internet.
But another thing that you didn't touch on yet was Section 8 housing. And there is a voucher system in Illinois that will pay 1/3 of whatever you pay on assistance for your apartment.
Oh no, you may have missed it, but I did say to the author, why couldn't Lorraine take advantage of a Section 8 voucher?
My guy, he's making a left turn, and he's like, yo, man, I'm making a left turn, man, and this truck behind me just up and, you know, hits me for no reason. I don't know what's up with this, right? So then the guy in this white truck like, yo, man, I got dash cam footage, man. I'm gonna show you that that's not what it is. My guy's like, nah, fam, I'm sitting here. Look at the brake lights. Look at the brake lights. I'm backed up. This guy's running into me. Nah, fam, you a liar. Don't look to me like the guy ran into you, homeboy. It looked to me like you ain't even have brake lights on, dog. You was just, you know, you was coasting. I guess he thought he was in an automatic truck. You understand? You take your foot off the gas and it just stops by itself. Dudes is liars. And he tried to dip out. Shout out to the liars, not your average trucker. You heard?
boy in action. Don't need cash. Break dance, blue miss, like you super. Shell bust it open. Never lease niggas out, leave the freaks knocking down to the street. Kill them 10 summer straight. Can't last niggas frontin', throwing bricks out her ass. Yeah, one's hit, honey.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.